The first item on a section page is a carousel block. Carousel blocks allow you to add 1 to 5 photos, which will cycle through the carousel automatically or can be browsed through manually by the user. Let's create a carousel block. Within your section page in Episerver, click Create New Block in the Header Content section. Name your block and choose Carousel Block. In order to add photos to your carousel block, you first need to upload them to your media. Open the Media panel and choose the Upload Files button in the bottom left corner. The proper size for photos for use in the carousel block is 1,440 pixels in width by 610 pixels in height. Once you've uploaded your photos, adding them to the carousel block is easy. Just choose them in your media panel and drag over to the carousel items, then drop. Once you have all your desired photos within the carousel block, click Create. In order to preview the carousel block, locate the block on your section page. Click on the block, and then choose the drop-down menu next to the block. Now, change the Display As setting to Hero Carousel with Breadcrumb. Once you've done this, click Publish Changes. Now you'll be able to preview your carousel block on your section page as it would look like to the user. If you're happy with the way your carousel block looks, you're all done.